Watch me, watch me, I got it. Watch me, I got it. Hey!
Day one. Alright guys, what were we done?
You know, what we've accomplished so far, like, you really gotta like kind of like appreciate it. You know, I've been very lucky to be a part of 2 streaks. You know what I'm saying? I had my own streak a couple years ago, so like I guess you don't value it when you're doing it, but like down the line when you look back at it, like it's something to be very proud of. You know, like Squadron, all the members in Squadron need to be very proud of what we've done for the last year and a half of competing. You know, like everybody needs to keep a head up on that. Like that's the hard thing to do, you know. Like it's not easy to win that many battles in a row. You know, like I won 9 in a row, we won like 11 or 12. Like that's a lot, and like, you know, I'm very thankful to be a part of that. Like that's like history for me.